In this video, we are going to see how we can check our friend list on a TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All you have to do is just click on the bottom right on your profile icon. And once you are in the profile icon, you will click on either the following or the followers on the top where you see this number. So if you see this friends, that means they have followed you and you have followed them back. That means according to TikTok, you are friends. And if someone has followed you, and if you are following someone and they have not followed you back, that means according to TikTok, you are following them. Similarly, if someone has followed you and you didn't follow them back, so you will see follow back. But in this case, if you have followed someone and they have followed you back, so from both ends, both of the parties have followed each one of you. So according to TikTok, you are friends. So that is how you can check the followers and followings and also friends on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.